In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. You need to begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When it's ready, open it, hit OK. Tap on Timeout and make sure Infinite is on. When you finished, go into Tab menu and edit it thanks to those three dots at the top right corner. So sorry, misclick. Then hit Edit Shortcut Switch and add this caffeine shortcut to your current ones. When you finished, go back and tap on your brand new shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!